In this video, we will learn how to repair broken track. If you can see, this track has a cut in the middle. First, we will need to remove solder mask with scalpel. We need to be careful while removing solder mask, as it can damage the components in the proximity. Apply very gentle pressure. Clear off solder mask debris. Here we are going to use lid of this ceramic capacitor as a replacement track. Tracks from circuit tracks frame can also be used. Cut the lid to the size. Add the solder to the track. Tuck in the lid just to hold it in the place. You might need to hold the track in place with the tweezers. Reflow the solder evenly by using flux. Now let's connect pin of this DIP to the via. Again, lid of the capacitor will be used for this. Pre-cut the lid in L shape like this. Insert one end in the via. Solder the joints.